Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Queen Kiss the Moon, chapter 34. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Shangyi and Wan Ting. Since the two of them are already caught up by Duavao, now it makes sense. Shangyi and Duavao was talking about her. So soon, I thought you were going to continue teasing with each other, so you didn't scold me. A work partner, it is very troublesome for you to have a secret relationship. You're willing to date now. Tualwo said to her. Now, suddenly wanting, come closer and said, Tuavao, drink some water. Tuavao said, oh, okay. It seems that everything went well to Tuavao. Now, wanting, thank you, Teacher Tang. We will be family from now on. Wanting said, okay, Shangyi and I will keep our relationship low-key and try not to cause any trouble to your work. Wanting said to her. Now, it's like a promise to her. Wanting suddenly moved closer to Shangyi and said to hers, the clothes are blocking your neck. Well, probably she got really exposed. Also right now, she got really serious about this. The clothes are blocking your neck. Right now, wanting, she come closer to her, but Shangyi answered her and well, definitely. Wanting is really up for something. You should really need to be patient. Bubble said to hers, but someone can treat you. After that, I won't come here casually. Fortunately, this time, it was a collision after the two of you in case of the process. Tuabao said to Shangyi, well, definitely, she was really dedicated on her work. That's why, during this time, there's not much work arrangement, so I will push it and I can help you. After so many years of continuous rotation, enjoy your love life. One thing, she was staring at Tuabao. Well, definitely, she has a good point about that. Now, Shangyi said to her, enjoy love life. Well, she noted herself that Shangyi, she only wanted to tease her so much. But why? Why come? So it turns out she really can't sleep. She moved closer and she was hugging her tightly. Probably she don't want to lose her. Also, right now, she become possessive, right? Turns out Shangyi, when she really falling in love, she will become possessive. Say, we're together, it's very reasonable to come to love light. The previous seconds is still in bed, and the next seconds it was dressed neatly to start the tragedy. So it turns out, Shangyi, she really knows everything, especially these trivial matters. Continue is also possible. Shangyi said to her, I listen to my girlfriend very much. What do you say? What can you say? No. One thing, she moved closer. I listen to my girlfriend very much. What do you say? It's what to say. She continued to repeat it. Also right now, she's trying to explain herself. Well, after a while, after finished talking, and also they've been rekindled, they both searching from online. Well, it should be. The two of them finally deciding. And it really makes sense. Look at them. They really look sweet. These days, some items are quite interesting in the 100 couples check-in list. So it turns out there's a checklist so the two of them can really enjoy. Of course, right now, they should be cautious. Find a guide for the kind of things. Has Mr. Shang ever been in a relationship before? Ang Wanting is asking Shangyi. Well, of course, there is it. Right now, she was keeping her space, so she can able. I remember when we were together, I can ask your fast love history like a girlfriend. Now, Shangyi, she become tricky and asking one thing, what about you? Don't answer question with a question. Shangyi. Now, she's been stopped by one thing. Now, she looks real serious, wanting. What's on her mind? She want to be isolated. But right now, everything seems to be okay. Oh, it was a domestic. Just got together. Shangyi, she was asking one thing. Well, definitely, it was really a cute thing. For this moment, it was really good to hear that the two of them finally agreed. Shang-Yi, it said to her, "It hurts to death. You can blow." So right now, Shang-Yi, she really want to get coaxed by one thing. Of course, she was really acting like a child. But look at her. Till now, she really kept herself silent. One thing said to her, just rushing, not to the question, your love history. If you don't want to say it, don't say it. So it turns out, one thing, she was really open-minded person. Now, talk about the short love, but now, it seems that counting. So it turns out Shang-Yi, she really got serious right now. Of course, she's been taking care of herself. Now finally, they're really talking to each other. Of course, one thing, sometimes she really got puzzled. One thing and Shang-Yi, the two of them still talking to each other. Well, it's like a bonding moment for the two of them. One thing stood up. However, there's only one. Right now, Shang-Yi, she really got serious. However, this only one doesn't fit my stereotype very well. Shang-Yi is asking one thing. However, there's only one. It doesn't fit my stereotype. Well, it was really overwhelming. And it really makes sense. Shang-Yi, Mr. Tang, what kind of image did I have inside your heart before? Well, definitely her question is really getting tricky. Let's see on what will happen. Another night, one night. It's a lot of love history. One thing, she was keep herself looking at Shang-Yi. Shang-Yi, she is still teasing her so much. You say, do you need to apologize to me? Shang-Yi said to her. It's the paparazzi. How? How can you rely on me? Shang-Yi said the one thing. Well, finally, the two of them are really getting serious. Now, it was one thing. She moved really closer to Shang-Yi. Then, you two. Right now, Shang-Yi. She is calling one thing. Well, right now, she is really happy, right? Although right now, she still want to coax her. One thing said to her, I apologize to you. Well, on herself, she thinks that she did something. Right now, one thing said, I apologize to you. Well, it was really sweet thing, right? Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by a Ko-Fi. Well, let's be patient guys. The story is really getting better now. Let's see and let's wait for it. Bye!